give my humble gratitude to Principal Ma'am who allowed me at a very short notice. Thank you, ma'am. And everyone present on the dais. Thank you everyone. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Priya ma'am. Priya ma'am, can I have your attention please? Ma'am, you and Padmi ma'am, thank you for showing me the way so I can get here. And my department HOD Imtiaz Hassan sir, who has guided me, mentored me. Thank you, sir. Well, actually, they mentioned that I would like to say something. What? They told me I'm telling something patriotic, but I guess it's not patriotic. It's kind of something that we should be aware of. But on a lighter note, I would like to say that I carry India in my pocket. Let me show you. This is what a Constitution of India. So I carry my Constitution, my India in my pocket. And I would like to read a letter. It's not something very patriotic, but it is something that late Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar wanted as a people, we as a people to know before he passed that constitution in the Constituent Assembly. That time it was referred as Constituent Assembly. Currently you can refer it as Rajya Sabha. But at that time it was referred as Constituent Assembly. But before passing of this constitution, he wrote a letter to the public that I want you to know this is such an important document that it is given an importance before preamble. It is mentioned, ma'am, before preamble it is given in the constitution. And I want you all to understand, rather it would be better to use, not to understand word, it would be better to interpret this letter. You need to step into the shoes of late Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. What was he thinking at that time? So let me begin it. He said, no matter how good the constitution is, if the people implementing it are not good, then the constitution will definitely prove to be bad. And if the people implementing it are good, then the constitution will also prove to be beneficial. And then he said, from 26th January 1950, we are going to enter a life of inequalities. Although he mentioned in that constitution that we will be equal, but he mentioned to the people that we will be entering into an era of inequalities. We will have the right of equality in politics, but inequality will remain in social and economic life. In politics, we will recognize one person, one vote and one value, but because of our social and economic structure, we will reject the principle of one vote, one value in social and economic life. How long will we continue to deny equality in social and economic life? If we continue to deny it for a longer time, we will also endanger our political democracy. We must eliminate these inequalities as soon as possible. If this is not done, then those who are the worst victim of discrimination, exploitation, and inequalities will burn the system of political democracy to ashes, which has been built with greater effort by the Constituent Assembly, late Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Thank you everyone. Thank you, ma'am.